Hey guys, it's me Phil. How are we doing? Hope you're having a good day. So if you're a driver in the UK, you have to road tax your car to be able to drive on the roads. Now, depending on what car you drive, this can be either very cheap or very expensive. And as you know, I drive a Audi A5 2-litre turbo diesel. Yeah, but anyway, I'll get into that in a moment. So yes, form. Hang on a minute. So here we go. This is the V11 form for my car. Now, what this does is, it's a reminder that you have to go online and you have to pay our lovely government a sum of money to use the roads. Now, originally, the road tax was to pay for the roads to be repaired. Now, if you've ever driven in England, you know that's a really bad thing. They are some of the worst roads in the world. Potholes everywhere, very rarely repaired and whatever. And yes, so it's a little bit more out of the pocket to pay to be a driver. But what I thought I'd do is, rather than telling you how much I have to pay, I'm just going to run through some cars. I've written some down. So, 2008 Toyota Aygo, the Citroen C1 or the Peugeot 107, all the same car. 1 litre engine, £20. That's a year, okay? 2008 VW Fox 1.4, £255 a year. 2009 Ford Focus 1.8 TDCi, £190. A 2005 Mercedes CLS 3 litre CDI diesel, £415. Nissan Micra K12 1.2 engine, £210. BMW 320 diesel, £255. Jeep Grand Cherokee, Ferrari F40, things like that, £735. And I've just been doing some research before making this video. Any vehicle over 255 grams per kilometre, £2,605 to drive on the road. That's the things like Bentleys, Rolls Royce, you know, the really big gas guzzling, shouldn't say gas guzzling because I'm British, petrol guzzling engines, you know, the V8s and all that kind of stuff. So what I'll do now is I will tell you what I have to pay to drive my car on the road. Let me just, can you see that? £35, I do apologise. And the best thing is, I can pay it monthly at £3.06 a month. I think I'll just pay that one off. It's very surprising. It's part of the VW group. For some reason, there's a lot of the 2 litre diesels that pay around 35. I was looking at a BMW the other day. If you've watched any of my videos, you'll know of my love of BMWs. They were £35. There's a Vauxhall Insignia. That's the same price. So yeah, £35 road tax for my car. I love my car. I really do. So yes, just a quick video telling you that the V11's come up. So I'll be doing that later on this month. Some other people who drive bigger cars will have to pay more. Never mind. I'll keep my Audi. Thanks very much. Well, hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you did, give it a like. Give it a comment down below. See what road tax you pay if you're in the UK, or if you've got any questions if you live outside the UK, give me a shout and I'll answer them. And hope to catch you in the next video. Bye guys.